Hello friends and followers. Well, what is this thing, you think? This is a crystal calibrator. So the National NC-300 receiver that I bought didn't have one in it. And the eBay scalpers, gosh knows what these will cost if you get a real national calibrator. So I picked up this one for I think $40. And once you added taxes and shipping, I think it was like $70 or $75, which made it very unpleasant. But anyway, so I want to get this thing into the National NC-300 receiver. I'm not sure what this thing was wired up for, but there's only 4 wires in here. So here's how that Heathkit looks right there. That's the circuit description for the Heathkit. And as you can see, there's only 4 wires here. So there's a wire for the antenna, ground wire, there's a heater wire, and there's B+. So I basically just ripped all those wires out, unsoldered them all, and just redid them. So I just copied the diagram here for the National Calibrator. And, you know, just connect it up. Antenna goes here to 4. That's for the antenna or the signal. Put the ground on 2. Put the B+, switch B+ on 8 here, and the heater on 7, and that's pretty much all I did here. And you're good to go. So now I'm going to pop this thing in the radio and see if it works. Thanks for watching. Yeah, little Heathkit calibrator. So the bummer of this thing might be that the socket pin isn't aligned right. That thing will be in there crooked or something. I saw a picture of one of these was crooked. Anyway, it's cute, it's small. Let's hope it works. Thanks for watching. This is going into the NC-300. It'll probably fit the 303 too, but 303 has a nice calibrator in it. The 300 I got did not. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.